Mastering the verb to be. Struggling with the verb to be? Let's fix that today. In just one lesson, you'll learn how to use am, is, and are in positive and negative sentences and how to ask all kinds of questions. Ready? Let's go. The forms of the verb to be. I am. He is. She is. It is. We are. They are. You are. I am at home. She is in the park. They are in the kitchen. You are at the gym. It is in the box. I am 20 years old. He is 5. They are engineers. He is a taxi driver. She is from Brazil. I'm married. We are happy. You are smart. It is sunny today. They are friendly people. It is 1 o'clock. Today is Monday. This is my phone. They are my parents. I am not a doctor. You are not late. We are not at home. It is not cold outside. Am I correct? Are you happy? Are we on time? Is he at work? Is it a good idea? Am I right or wrong? Is Anna in the kitchen or the living room? Why am I here? What time is it? How old are you? Who is your best friend? Where is Sarah? Who is he? Who is Mark with? Whose bag is it? Whose turn is it? You are happy, aren't you? We are on time, aren't we?